The new flagship Nokia 8 Sirocco has plenty to be excited about. Mostly in the design, it's got this great slim look with glass that curves at both the front and the back, surrounded by this lovely metal frame. It's waterproof too, so you don't need to be too careful around water. On the back of the phone is a dual camera, which has a 12 megapixel regular lens and a 13 megapixel zoom lens. The display has a 2K resolution and it looks nice and bright and sharp in our hands-on time. The phone runs Android 8 Oreo, although it is the Android 1 version, which means it's a lot more pared back than you'll find on many Android Oreo phones. The interface is clean and easy to use, and thanks to the Qualcomm Snapdragon 835 processor, it's pretty nippy as well. Other cool features include a fingerprint scanner on the back, and it's the first time we've found wireless charging in a Nokia phone. All in all, that means this phone has plenty to shout about, but with an expected price of somewhere around €750 or around £650, it's going to need to perform well in our actual review in order to justify that high price.